Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, we have three very good hiring for today. One is from Accenture for 2026 batch, and then another hirings we have from Startegy for Associate Software Engineer 2025, 2024, 2023 batch, and then we have hiring from UpGrad company. So महिमा जी की महिमा है and UpGrad is hiring for 2025 batch. So we will talk in detail. So these are the hirings for today. See, the first thing which I wanted to tell you, my dear friends, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel as soon as possible so that you don't miss any opportunity. Let me start with Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for three different roles, and friends, pre-placement talk in many colleges was today. Okay. So here you could see roles and compensation. So roles and compensation: Associate Software Engineer 4.64 LPA, Advanced Associate Software Engineer 6.5, and Advanced Application Engineer 11.18 LPA. See, for locations like Indore, Jaipur, they are giving 50,000 less, but nevertheless Accenture is hiring. That is only big thing. And see, if you want to apply for Accenture, you need to contact with your college TPO, and the college TPO will be giving you the more information about this hiring. Okay. See, in pre-placement talk, they said, see, a student participated in pre-placement talk today. Then after a week, so assessment day 1 to 5, behavioral and cognitive assessment, followed by technical assessment, if cleared. Okay. And coding assessment on the same day, 2 or 3 slots per day. Behavioral assessment is a non-elimination round. So behavioral is a non-elimination round. See, here they have mentioned behavioral, cognitive, technical and coding assessment will be done at college premises, right? Once more you read: behavioral and cognitive assessment followed by technical assessment. If cleared, proceed to coding assessment on the same day. So in the same day, behavioral, cognitive, technical and coding assessment will be happening, 2 or 3 slots per day. And then day 7 to 10, communication assessment. A student who clear assessment receive link for the communication assessment. So now communication assessment will be later after your behavioral, cognitive and all. Then virtual interviews day 12 to 15 and 25th day to 28, result announced for the role of Associate Software Engineer, Advanced Associate and Advanced Application Engineer. Shortlisted students will receive LOI and onboarding, so that God knows. So when God will tell, that time Accenture will do this onboarding process. Okay, fine. And now you can see here eligibility criteria: highest qualification, all branches of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc. Integrated dual program, BE, ME, BTech, MTech, BE, BTech plus MSc. Year of pass out 2026, only full-time education, part-time distance education and diploma is not eligible. Okay. And preparing for our recruitment process, the laptop desktop being used for the process must be enabled with a good quality webcam and microphone, RAM and processor, operating system and Google Chrome browser. Okay. So these are the things which we have to keep in mind. So this is regarding your Accenture hiring. Okay. Now, friends, the next hiring what we have from first we will see this one is Startegy. So Startegy is telling that I will hire software engineer and the role is Associate Software Engineer. Okay. If we come down here, location is Chennai, work from office Monday to Friday, experience 0 to 2 years, that means 2025, 2024, 2023 can apply. Full-time immediate joiners. So immediate joiners are basically they are preferred. And role summary: we are seeking an associate software engineer with foundational skills in Java, Python, JavaScript, React, HTML, CSS and TypeScript. Only thing which they have missed it, you should have cleared SSC, UPSC, BPSC, UPPSC, these exams, railway, okay, bank. So these exams if you have cleared, you will be more preferred. Okay, so that is what they have missed. Otherwise all other things they have covered. See, so a few things like cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, GCP is a plus. I don't think there is any other things in technology exist. Okay, AI, anyway in interview they will cover AI, ML, right? So all those things they are covering it. Very good company. Okay, go for it. Now basic knowledge of, see, they will give some 4-5 lakhs package, and then they will they want employee who has knowledge of 50 lakhs 50 LPA package. Okay, so basic knowledge, see, few things they are not able to put in skill required, so they are putting in preferred skill. After that, mandatory skill, something and all, it will never end. Okay, basic knowledge of REST APIs and version control system like Git, familiarity with agile development process, understanding of CI/CD, what all. So medical insurance you will get, stock options you will get, company sponsored training and certification, a fitness tracker, okay, complimentary lunch and snacks, state of the art infra for our office, global project exposure. So all these things they will give you, and they will make you work like, you know, 14 hours or 15 hours a day. Anyway, fine. So with the Mahima of Mahima ji, okay, Mahima ji ki Mahima hai yahan pe. She is telling, she works at UpGrad, and she is telling UpGrad is also hiring, but this hiring is very much, you know, specific to 2025. So kickstart your tech career. I know many of you will start sending the connection request, but when I will tell that my LinkedIn profile is also in the description, you have problem sending the connection request. Okay, with me you don't want to create any connection. Okay, well, I will change my gender one day, you see. Are you a 2025 pass out ready to step into the IT world? We are looking for fresh mind to join one of our top consulting clients, a Java full stack developer. According to Mahima ji, 2024, 2023, they don't have the fresh minds. Already their mind have become kachada. Okay, so that they will not apply. Okay, fine. So work location is Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Bangalore. Okay. Ayo, Rama. Now this will open. Okay. So work location Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Bangalore. Final location will be allocated by the client. Who can apply? BE, BTech student from IT, CSC, ECE and related streams. AI, ML, data science, cyber security, etc. Consistent academic records with 65% in 10th, 12th and degree. What you did in 10th, that will also reflect in getting a job. I don't understand how it is related. And all unrelated things were there in the 10th. Okay, so fill the form. So if you want to fill the form, then click over here. See, if you have Bhagwan ki Mahima, then definitely you will clear. Okay, so then what is this coming in picture here? Something is coming. Okay, anyway, now if you'll see here, array, it's still not opened. Okay, it will take some time, some half an hour to 1 hour. Please wait. In camera, what is there here? Here nothing is there. Then what it is coming? Something, I don't know. It's okay. So this page will finally this page opened today. UpGrad candidate registration. So required your full name, your college email ID, personal email ID, gender, date of birth, city, current address, state, union, territory, mobile number, alternate mobile number, UG degree, Bachelor of Science, Engineering, Science, Commerce. Do not include this. Okay, UG passing years. So it is only for the 2025 batch. Then you will be able to fill and apply, right? Okay, so UpGrad is a very good company, friends. Please do not miss this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible. All the opportunities which I told here is a very good opportunity. Please don't miss it. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We'll meet soon.